What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Ethereum. In this video we'll talk about everything you need to know regarding Ethereum, which right now, I mean, it's hard to predict and it's hard to analyze most cryptos right now, to be fair. But I'll try my best. I mean, there are some things we can say. We had some bearish confirmations, and just in general there's something we can say about the market structure as well. And there's some economic news and some economic events happening today, which we need to dive into. And the results of that could actually mean that we're going to be bullish again. So we'll talk about all of that. We'll talk about everything you need to know. But before we do that, before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Ethereum. So I briefly mentioned it with the Bitcoin video as well, but the volume is dropping down a bit. Well, a bit. It's down 23% since yesterday. So overall, what that means is that we're probably stabilizing a little bit. We're probably becoming less volatile. You can also see that the EMAs right now, they're pretty flat because we had a big drop and a big spike. So then the average price is going to be flat. It's going to be the same price. But overall, with the volume dropping and the EMAs being flat, I think we can safely say that we're stabilizing a little bit. I do think the general direction is still down though. I mean, what you can see right now with the current movements is that I think we're actually finding support right now at the 0.618 fib, around that level. I mean, it's the price action right now is just very weird because first of all, we held this level right here. At around 1840, that was really our strongest support level, definitely after we broke down below 1860. But then we got a bearish breakout, and as you could have also seen, a bearish breakout through the 0.618 fib, and we're just not really respecting that. We're getting above that again now. Sometimes we're just getting this weird bullish momentum, which we also got after Coinbase was sued. But okay, so excuse me for the sound in the background, that's my coffee machine. But overall, I mean, at this point of time, this entire level between 1860 and 1845 is still too strong to break, I think, technically, but also if we take the fundamentals into account, the dollar strength index is, well, steady. It's not bullish, it's not bearish. But overall, the direction is still bullish, so that's bearish as well for Ethereum. So overall, I still expect us to drop down at least to this level right here around 1800. And yeah, given the fact that I think we're getting into some sort of a consolidation now, I do think we can hold that level. I would say overall the direction is down, so I do think that in a little bit more of the long term we would get to 1780 as well. But short term I think we can hold 1800. Now there though, we have to get into a very important part of this analysis. And that is that later today we'll get the initial jobless claims numbers and the continuing jobless claims numbers. If this is actually higher than expected, well, that's then going to be bearish for the dollar strength index. And we all know if the dollar strength index is bearish, crypto is bullish. All right, so that's the only way in which we could actually turn, well, I wouldn't say bullish again, but maybe on the short term bullish. That's the only way. If the initial jobless claims and the continuing jobless claims are higher than expected, that in combination with the interest rates probably pausing next week is probably going to be enough to break above our major resistance level, which in my eyes, it's hard to say because there's so much resistance between 1860 and 1845, but I would say that we can at least get to 1860, and if we get to 1860, we can actually stabilize around 1835 and 1860. So I'll probably still do a big update on it if we get a lot of volatility. But for now, that's my major update on Ethereum. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.